Whoa. Good evening, Benjamin.
You must have some really good construction. I had like labor construction. And then I know, it was like really bad. Okay, so maybe we did have to add water to, yeah. Yeah. Okay. I know, there's a lot of flood.
Stretch those arms out. Now. It's okay, man. Just relax. Where am I? Where am I? Huh? Where am I? Welcome to the world, Benjamin. Bless you. Oh.